Today we are going to lay our new millboard deck onto this concrete base. Unfortunately the base drains towards the middle, which will require some levelling later. First we are going to mark out the position of the joists and most importantly the joist shoes. Joists should be set at 400mm centres for domestic areas, but you may wish to reduce this for commercial decks. The red dots show where the joint shoes will sit, and these need to be set at 600mm centres, but again this can be reduced for commercial decks. Using a string line we can now see where the base dips the most, and in these areas we are going to cement into place some concrete pads for the joist shoes to sit on. Now we can start positioning the joists. You can choose between either timber or the recycled plastic subframe called Plas-Pro. Timber will be cheaper but may not be as straight as the purpose-made Plas-Pro joists. Personally, I would have preferred the Plas-Pro as it makes the levelling of the deck a lot easier. To take up some of the more minor level discrepancies, the use of 3mm rubber spacers is recommended. These can either be fitted inside the joist shoe or underneath, as shown here. Now that everything is level, we can now start fitting the decking boards, starting with the edging board. The board is easily cut with a handsaw, and cut ends can be touched up with the Millboard touch-up paint. Boards should be screwed twice as they pass over each joist, and each screw should be sunk about 5mm below the deck surface. The elastane layer will close over the screw head, leaving the fixing invisible. Perfect. Boards should be cut at alternating lengths to provide an authentic look, and each cut end should be touched up along with any visible joints on the timber. And now the last board drops into place, leaving a beautifully finished garden deck which really does look like timber and is soft to the touch.